Today I'm going to show you how to add a bot to your Telegram channel, step by step, so you can give it the right permissions and start automating tasks inside your channel. Whether you want a bot to help with posting, moderation, alerts, or simple automation, this process is quick once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device. Once Telegram is open, go to the channel where you want to add the bot. Make sure you're opening the actual channel and not a private chat or group, because the steps need to be done from the channel settings. When you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and click the channel name. This opens the channel information and management options. From there, click Manage. This is where you'll find the settings for editing channel roles and permissions. Next, click Administrators. This section controls who can manage the channel, and it's also where you can add bots with admin access. Now click Add Administrator. Telegram will let you search for the bot you want to add. In the search field, type the bot's username exactly as it appears, for example, @yourbot. Be careful to enter the correct username, because Telegram bots are identified by their unique handles. Once the bot appears in the results, select it. After selecting the bot, Telegram will show you a list of permissions. This is one of the most important parts, because you can choose exactly what the bot is allowed to do in your channel. Depending on what you need, you can give it permission to post messages, edit posts, delete messages, or perform other admin actions. Only enable the permissions that are necessary for the bot to do its job. That way, you keep your channel secure while still allowing the bot to function properly. After you've chosen the permissions, click Save to add the bot as a channel administrator. At this point, the bot has been added successfully, and it can now operate in your Telegram channel based on the permissions you assigned. If you ever need to update its access later, you can return to the Administrators section and edit its permissions anytime. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a bot to your Telegram channel. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.